What's going on, boaters? We are on Barletta's brand new model, the Sanza 22 QC. This boat is perfect for you and your family this summer. I'm going to show you guys a few features. Standard in all Barlettas, you have your doggy dock view door. Perfect if your dog friends are on board. They can be enjoying the water just as much as you are. This boat offers a lot of in-seat storage. You have storage in your front two couches, along in your back two couches as well. Put your towels, your bags, your life jackets. It's all put away while you're out cruising the lake. Since this is another Barletta model, you do get your doggy dish built into the helm stand. Perfect to keep those dogs hydrated on the water as well. You have your co-captain with the cup holder caddy, 2 cup holders, so you don't have to worry about just holding your drink the whole time you're on the water. This boat is equipped with the JBL audio system, perfect for playing those tunes all day long. You also have your ski tow bar in the back, and this boat is powered by a Mercury 150. This boat is not going to last long. Come check it out at MarineMax Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com.